Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term dog whistle. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, dog whistle is a coded message meant to convey hidden meaning to a specific group. People use it when they want to send signals that only certain listeners will understand. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Dog whistle first showed up in political discussions around the late 20th century. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among media, political commentators, and activists. Now let's check out how to use dog whistle in a sentence. Correct example 1. Politicians often use dog whistle language to appeal to certain voters without being explicit. Correct example 2. That phrase was clearly a dog whistle to the community familiar with the code. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said dog whistle at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using dog whistle right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Dog whistle means a coded message meant to convey hidden meaning to a specific group. It started in political discussions around the late 20th century, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with dog whistle in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.